Hello, back again with me, Juve Adriano Colo. I'm here once again to explain my practicum. And for this today practicum is a machine learning class practicum. And this is the second practicum of this class. So, in this practicum, what we going to do is we going to make a decision tree model. So, with this model, what it's going to do is make some type of decision tree, and we put some data in it, and the machine will um, process this data with couple of questions that make this decision tree, and it will go from top to down till the machine get the answer according to the model requirement, or what we choose for the model to tell us with the data that we send to the model. Okay, so without much further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, now let's talk about the data that I use. So this data I get it from Pew Research with the name is Religious Composition from 2010 to 2020. In this dataset, or in this report, it contain data for religious or religion in every part of the world. Like in Asia, you have like percentage of Christian 10%, or Muslim like 60%, or in North America you have like 60% Christian and 20% Muslim, and something like that. So what we're going to do with all this data? What we're going to do is we going to make a model, like I said before, a decision tree model that calculate which region of fictional country with its religion compound. Like if I may say, this fictional region have 10% Christian, 10% Muslim, and 10% other religion. And when we put those stats in the machine will automatically tell us where this country or where region this fictional country is. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so um, the very first stuff we do is we going to look at the data first, or we could say pre-process. So we're going to check if the data have any missing variable. We're also going to see the data distribution, and yeah, and other fun stuff. After that, we are going to what is it again? We're going to separate the data. Like we're going only to use the data that we want to use, and we are going to uh, take out the data that we didn't use. Like for example, in this practicum, we combine data for all in North, and we combine all the data in region America, because apparently with the data, if we process data each individually of the region, like North America on its own, South America on its own, we can do 20 to 80 population. So what we do is we combine all of those. After that fun stuff, we could now make the model. after we done with the model, the second thing we do is we going to evaluate or make a evaluation of our model to see uh, if our model accurate. So you can see from the image that I'm going to show you that from our model, the region with the most accurate prediction is from sub-Saharan American because of the enormous data that it have, and with the list on USA. Also, this is not just about how much the data that we get from this region, but like diversity that it have, like in sub-Saharan African, there are a lot of diversity. So the data uh, for other like sub uh, sub religious it's more like variative. So there are more there are more of variable that we can test the data on. But with like region like North America or South America and stuff, like all dominated by the Christian religion, and it make it harder to process other region on those country because the minimal data that those countries have for other religion. After that good stuff, we're going to see the visualization of our model, like the decision tree, and also the distribution table, the visualization of the distribution of our data in the model. And lastly, probably, yeah, we can do a little experiment. So I have a couple data here, and this data we are going to put it on the model that we done. And for you guys can see from the result that's on there, that is model that we have can successfully predict um, the country, the region from the fictional country that I've been showing. I think that's it for today, Praktikum. I hope to see you guys again next Praktikum. Bye.